Fresh from Fresh and Felicia. And I want to tell you why this is the best vacuum cleaner in the entire world. It's better than Bissell, better than Dyson, better than Hoover, better than Electrolux. This is the king of all vacuum cleaners, and here's why. So we have a shedding dog. I mean, she leaves half of her hair. I don't know how she has any hair left. Look at this. This is like after a day or two. So we brush her, we try everything, but still we end up with all this stuff. I made a fur vest out of her fur. I'm just kidding. I didn't really do that. But the Shark is the only vacuum cleaner that picks it up the best. All right, the most important test is if your dog hates the vacuum cleaner, because that's how you know it works. I have another brand. It doesn't work as well as this Shark, and my dog doesn't bark at it. So there's something off there. Let's see if the dog hates the Shark. So there's a lot of really cool features, including the power button on the handle, which I love, and the 3 settings for flat floors or shag carpets. It'll vacuum just about anything you could throw at this thing, and it changes seamlessly. And yes, my dog hates it, and that says something. Look at this. From shag to a flat floor, and it does a great job equally on both of these surfaces. And this is a game changer. I call them shark fins because you look at this, there is no hair stuck on the beater bar. We have a couple of girls in the house and the dog you just saw, and there's no hair here. It's a marvel in engineering, it really is. It comes with a bunch of attachments, including this one, and this has really soft bristles, so it's great for furniture. You can put your finger in here, and it won't tear it off. And it cleans your furniture, no matter what kind of furniture you have. It's gonna pick up all that dust and crumbs easily. Oh, and there's a powered lift away, and this is amazing for steps or places that you don't want to roll this thing into. Climbing up steps, going in the closets, smaller spaces, your car. How cool is that, where you don't need that beater bar? And it does an amazing job with plenty of suction and power. And maintenance is super easy. Just clean the filter out. You can pull the hair and dust away from this mesh filter that you don't need to replace. And you take these foam things out and wash them every 3 months just under cold water. And just squeeze them out and then put them outside in the sun to dry for a couple of hours. Wait till they're completely dry and put it back in. You don't need to continually buy filters for this vacuum cleaner. And I love that. And no bags. All you do is pop off the dust cup, put it over your trash can, press the button, you're good to go and ready to vacuum again. This is the best vacuum cleaner in history.